I just sincerely hope that this does not affect my seven food.
Sir, you know how to make a serious situation light. And that won't affect your food.
And don't forget the rice and peas.
I won't. I have one more request.
Every time you make that statement there,
No, sir. Just hear me out.
okay.
I would like to break the news to him and talk to him one more time in the interrogation room.
That's doable. Yeah.
But I would like my mother to be there.
Let me get this clear. No. I could almost swear I hear you say that you wanted your mother to be here.
Sir, I know it's personal.
Personal? You want me to break all protocol for a family reunion?
No, sir. Let me explain. I spoke to my mother about this whole ordeal.
Okay. I get it. You need closure. And you will have it. Let me leave before Mr. Yaman comes back. Next thing you know, you might want me to buy 8 food.
Sir, I had to tell my mother that I'm an agent.
I know. Make sure you have gungo in the rice and peas.
Yeah. Stay the same. So them take the food and the clothes. Alright, here you are going. I better kill up yourself. I make a link and get back to you. Let us go on easy. Vicious Brother, you have warrant for coming here. You just a walk in my yard, so.
How long it is?
It not go on already. You not go for my friend and have him in a lock up, brother.
I believe say that is something I do want to do.
You do it though. A long time I want to do it, you know. Cause remember when you tell a man up at top hill say you have a thing personal feel, you know.
Me tell him say me have something personal for him, or me tell him say, if him act out of the law, me I go come for myself.
Brother, me never care what you say. All me know say you got the man yard and take him away in front of him, woman.
Me don't even understand how to pray, no, brother. So what you say? Him innocent, him never do nothing. None of them never do nothing.
Yeah, we are trying to protect the place.
Come back with that idiot thought there again. Protect the place. So what we there for? We have what? Figure?
So now move. Now move like we now figure, yes.
It is. Out of you and your friend them rate you as a youth with understanding. When you obstruct the law and your brethren stab somebody who work with the agency, you really feel like say you never did a pay feet.
Whisper. Me send a criminal come in our community to come run operation. And we see when look like crime. And we are defend it. And that no lock up a man for.
Butcher is known as a businessman. Likewise you. Vicious just a getting a business right too. You have a daughter. Vicious just that his son. And I feel like say obstructing justice I go bring you somewhere. Brother, my father too, you know. And Vicious and you know, our father as well. When you stay back and there because of we for the smart years. The whole 300 that they behind bars right now. Me not ask, I tell you. Somebody have to pay a fee. The youth could have lose his life.
Oh. So the youth not dead.
Fortunately for the 300, him still alive. But more on you, for dead and tell your friend them when them go wrong and where them go wrong. Don't make arrogance, make it talk foolishness.
Nah, like still in a whisper. Reason we demand them more while. We see through uno move so slow. We have to step on things, you see it.
You see, as a youth, we fall out from in a garrison too. I know what you say. I know what you meant. But this is what we do. Our line of work, it take time. Because we don't want to just catch a grabber. Them always have a recruit another grabber. We need to catch a mastermind. But here what now? I end the idea. It's solved now. Before, it wasn't. If Uno did catch just a grabber, now have more grabber to catch. But you have to just wait for the process. Just trust the process, brother.